I'm Amrind. Welcome you DSS online English class. Today I will teach you Flamingo third chapter Deep Water. It is written by William Douglas. It is an autobiography of William Douglas. In this chapter I will teach you about the author, characters, theme, summary and line by line explanation. First of all, let's start about the author. Author William Orville Douglas. William O. Douglas, full form William Orville Douglas. He was born in 1898 in Manny, Minnesota in USA. When he completed his graduation, he taught in his school, Columbia, English. Then he took keen interest in LLB, law. He always wished to become a lawyer. That's why he joined a law school. And he always take interest to individual rights. Then he was a judge at the Supreme Court of USA. In the chapters, characters and places, you have to know. First character, Douglas, who is the narrator of this chapter. YMCA pool is a place. YMCA means Young Men's Christian Association. There is a pool in Yakima River. Yakima is a place of USA. Now you can see it's a river. It's a treacherous river. It is said that whoever went to take bath in this river, he never came out. So, let's start theme of the chapter. Deep water deals with the childhood fear of Douglas. In this chapter, William Douglas tells about his fear. Why did he afraid of water? Why did he fear of water? And how did he overcome on this fear? So in this chapter, the story focuses on the fact that childhood fears must never be treated lightly. Otherwise, it will be addicted to the child who always be afraid. So in this chapter, he analyzes his fear and finally how to overcome it by strong willpower, determination. So let us summary of the chapter. Start. Now we know the introduction of the chapter. The lesson Deep Water is an excerpt taken from Of Men and Mountain by William Douglas. In this chapter, he describes how as a young boy, the narrator was nearly drowned in a swimming pool. In this chapter, he talks about his fear of water and therefore how he finally overcome it by willpower. So let's start the chapter. This chapter I will make you understand through these lines. These lines, if you have remembered, you will be able to know the summary of the chapter deeply. First, decided to learn to swim. Why did he need to learn to swim? Just I told you that when he was 3 or 4 years old, he went with his father to California beach. There, his father threw him in water, and a wave drowned him. He was totally scared. That's why a fear kept in his mind, and from that he started to fear from water. But he decided to learn to swim. There was a YMCA pool, Young Men Christian Association. It's a name of a pool in Yakima River. There was a pool, Young Men Christian Association. It is run by this. That's why it was named YMCA pool. There was a question, what do you mean by YMCA pool? So that's why you can describe about that. Full form of YMCA, where it is situated. Now you can tell that it is on Yakima River in USA. There was, he thought that it is suitable for him. It is an opportunity for him. He is able to learn how to swim in this pool, because the dimension of this pool only 2 or 3 feet of depth in starting, and the deepest was 9 feet. So he thought, but narrator's mother had always warned against this river, because it was known treacherous river, dangerous river. Because whoever went in to take bath never came. That's why his mother always warned against it. But he got that it's an opportunity for him. But at YMCA pool there was a misadventure. Through this, what was the misadventure at YMCA pool? Now he wanted to learn. One day when he went to YMCA pool, he was alone there. No one was there, because he was very excited to go there. Whenever someone is excited, you know well, nobody sleep, nobody can go anywhere. Only he thinks about whatever is going to happen. So he is also very excited to go there, because now he had taken off wings, and through this he wanted to know how to learn. So whenever he went there, he was alone there. He did not dare to go inside the water of the pool. So he thought that we should wait for someone. Meanwhile, there was a young boy, about 18 years old, like muscle, like a pahalwan. When he come, now he say, hey, skinny. His legs was very skinny, like stick. Hey, skinny, what are you doing here? And he threw him in this pool. During to that, when he went there, he grew panty. When the boy threw him in the YMCA pool, those 9 feet depth is looking like 90 feet for him. He was totally got panty. He thought that it's my last day. From now, I will never alive. So he totally grew panty. But now he had a plan. He thought, he never lost his wits. He thought, if I go down, I will take some of my strength and sprang upside. But he never got under the surface. But anyhow, now you can say fear constantly haunted him. Next topic. When he was under the water, his childhood fear came immediately, and now he was totally. But whatever happened, he did not remember. In next time, he got himself out of the pool, and the boy was saying that I was joking. What? You were joking? But now I am ready to die. Then after that, he decided, anyhow I have to learn how to swim. That's why he got an instructor. He thought that by instructor I will teach, I will learn. So got an instructor and learned swimming. According to instructor, he started to learn. Now the instructor took a rope and tied in his waist, only for losing his fear. And according to him, whatever he did twice, thrice in a day. Then after some time, now he know how to learn how to swim. Finally, at last, he conquered his fear by his final determination. There's a lot of incident happens during to when the boy threw in the water. There's a lot of incident. Through this incident, finally he conquered his fear. That's all. Line by line explanation I will teach you next video, part 2.